Head to your device's App Store and type in Utah 360 in the top search bar. When the results appear, you'll know you found the right app because the app's artwork is the two interlocking U's. Go ahead and install this app. It's completely free. Once fully installed, you can open the app where you'll be prompted to allow or deny notifications. Please allow these notifications so that you receive extra alerts for very important news during your time here. You'll then encounter Utah 360's comprehensive app home screen, where in the top right-hand corner, you can log in using your university ID. Follow the steps to plug in these credentials so that you can have a more personalized app experience. Just like your main student portal, the Utah 360 app also leverages two-factor authentication via Duo for added security. Once fully logged in, you'll then be prompted to accept a usage policy by the app, which allows you to experience all the app's features. The app will then give you its own mini tutorial, which you won't have to worry too much about as long as you watch to the end of this video. The icons on the home screen are fully customizable to your liking, but before you go making those adjustments, you're going to want to scroll down on the home page until you find the suggested groups section. From here, you'll need to join 3 groups: the College of Pharmacy General Group, your cohort or respective class group, and finally, the Job and Internship Board group. Each of these groups serves a specific audience function and will have their own announcements and calendar events, so be sure you're a part of each of them. Speaking of calendars, wouldn't it be fantastic if you could see all upcoming events in a singular spot within the app? You can. You just have to go to the hamburger button at the top left-hand corner of the screen, click on Events and Calendars, and see the curated list from all the groups you're in, as well as different organizations, whether that be Utah Athletics or different types of clubs that have incorporation through the same app system. For the purposes of this example, let's take a look at the event that says this is a test too. I notice this is coming from the College of Pharmacy General Group page, so I click in on the icon and it lets me know that it's occurring on August 21st from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Even though that's way too early for the narrator to attend, I can still let you know that you can add this event to your personal phone's calendar or head back to the groups page to find who's hosting this event so you can contact them for more information or to RSVP. While the College of Pharmacy General Board aims to relay internal communications to the entire building, whether that be students, faculty, or staff, the Job and Internship Board is more of a student-centric board to relay different opportunities for experience in the pharmacy world. Visit your PharmD cohort group in order to view internal communications that apply to only you and your classmates. You can have discussions in the discussion board area without alerting the entire group because of the access level system within Utah 360. Also view helpful resources that apply just to your class. Let's talk more about those interchangeable widgets on the app's homepage. These widgets contain a variety of information that's important to students' interests. Perhaps you want to see your class schedule and electives. Well, you could do so in a snap. Or, want a timer? How about one for the first day of class, just so that you don't sleep in? You can even view some of the college's most recent content on social media. And this is the perfect point for us to shamelessly plug the college's awesome TikTok channel, at U of U College of Pharmacy. Go check us out there. And it's not just about viewing information. It's about pinpointing and submitting information as well. You could see all the different co-curricular events. Or even submit your fall mentor checklist through the built-in form fill feature that's inside of all these different widgets. Plus dining options, shuttle maps, direct links to the College of Pharmacy website for additional resources. It's a lot to take in, we know, But we'll be here for any sort of questions that you have as you get comfortable with this new app this semester. Finally, if you think you missed a notification, just click on the bell in the top right-hand corner to view all the notifications in chronological order. Oh, looks like the flu clinic's looking for volunteers.